You know what day it is? It's Feature Friday. What's going on? It's Chris and Will from LifterLMS. Hope you're having an amazing Friday. Speaking of Friday, check out the LifterLMS Black Friday All November sale. Just go to lifterlms.com/Black-Friday. You can save 50% on any new order and get $2,000 worth of bonuses with your purchase. But back to the main content. Today, we're going to address a popular request we get where people want to have a course that's either free or low cost. But then if you actually want to get the certification that comes with the course, how do you do that? And that certification or that degree or those continuing education points, whatever the benefit that you want to charge for, how do you upsell that from a free course or a paid course? We're going to demo that today. Over to you, Will.
Awesome. Thank you, Chris. So this is my LifterLMS demo site. And on the back end, like Chris said, we want to make one of our courses free, but then have an upsell for a quiz. So let's say that my sensory integration techniques course is going to be free here. The first thing I would want to do is edit my course and make sure that this access plan is free. So we'll just say the a la carte course is going to be no payment required. So this is a free course if you want just the course, free with just the course. That's our setup there. But then we're also going to have an upsell to say, if you want the course and certification, it's going to be $100. And that'll be the course with membership or the course with certification. Certification, spell that correctly. Boom. So then the membership that we're going to associate with this, let's create a membership real quick. I open a new tab. Let me just do the membership, and we'll call it the sensory integration techniques certification membership with certification. Boom. So we've got our membership created. And so this option is going to be, we want the course and the certification course. So what we're really going to do on the back end of LifterLMS is have two courses. We're going to have our free course. I remove this access plan. You can get this one just for free to take the content, or you can get both courses, the one that's just a quiz and the full course content that's free for the price of $100. So we have our free course all set up. Our free course is all set up here. Let me update, make sure all my changes are saved. Why are all my changes not saved? I'll leave the page. There we go. So this is our free course. Then let's add the certification course real quick here. So this is the certification. And this is going to be a really simple course. I'm just going to publish it. We're going to remove a lot of this course content because we don't need the course instructor and all that information we had on the other course. It's just a single lesson course with a single quiz on it. So if I open up the list view, we can just delete probably all this for now, delete blocks, because the only option here, actually, I'll need the course syllabus. The only option is going to be the course syllabus. Really simple course setup. Let's update that and jump into the course builder. And this is going to be a single lesson course here. We're going to say, take the quiz, save changes, and then I reload here. Let's put a quiz here on my single quiz course. And if we imagine the quiz would be a lot longer than one question, but I'll just say, what is an example of, this will be the correct answer. Wrong answer. So you'd make your quiz a lot more robust than this, but that's just a simple quiz that we have associated with this course. So we've got our two courses created. If we go back to the dashboard of our website, let's take a look at courses. We've got the content course, and now we have the certification course. And so if you want to buy the certification course, what I'll do is I'll set up an access plan on this course for $100. So you could buy the just the certification here, just the certification, $100 for just the certification.
I think, Will, you might want to add the access plan block back to the membership there. I think when you deleted all the blocks, you might need to add that one back in.
Yeah, going back to the membership here, this is where we'll auto enroll. If you do buy the membership, you'll get access to both courses. So you'll get the introduction certification course if you buy the membership, and you'll also get the regular course. And I'll show you where this all comes into play here at the end. So if you buy the membership for $100, so this would be course plus certification, $100. Or you could buy just this. You could buy just the certification. So let's save that. Awesome. And then, so we have our membership created where you could get the course and the course and certification. We have our certification course set up where you could buy just the access to that single quiz. And then we have our free course set up. So now let's create a sales page that combines all of that together. If I jump over to pages, add page, this would be sales page. And we would style this one up a bit, but let's just put a button on here that says, let's buy just the free course. Or we could get, duplicate the button, we'll get the course plus certification. Publish that page, and now I need to get links for my buttons. So if we want just the free course, that means we're going to need the access plan for this free course. The link over to that one. So that'll be the purchase link that we can find on any LifterLMS access plan. You have access to a purchase link here, and I could just copy that link address. I do a right click, copy link address, and then I can jump back to my sales page, put a link on my button, and then link to just the free course. And then if I go back to my membership, let's get a link to the membership purchase. So if I edit my membership, I'm going to copy that link for my, I'm going to copy the link for my course plus certification. That's going to be this option right here. So that's where users can buy the course plus certification, and they'll get access to both of those courses. Let's check out the sales page and see if that looks good. And then we'll do one final step to upsell at the end of the course for users who didn't purchase. If they want to buy just the free course, they can click on that, get access to the course for free. And then if they want to buy the course plus certification, they'll be asked to enter in the details to pay for that. But then let's imagine that somebody bought or enrolled in the free course, and they've taken the course content, and now we want them to consider upselling and buying the certification that they did not choose to buy when they initially signed up. What we would do is go into the course builder and add one final lesson to the end of the course. This course conveniently has a nice next steps lesson. So if you have a next step lesson like this, our call to action, let's just edit this lesson and see what's in here. For this course, since our call to action is to go ahead and start the next course, we can do an assignment. That's a very clever way to do it. If we go into the course builder, we could have a LifterLMS assignment. I'll show you that here in a second, but say, now that you've completed the course, let's move on to the quiz. And then if you purchased the course plus certification, you already have access. But if not, you can get access below. And then, my typo, we would add in a button to say, go to the certification course. And then we would link over to that certification course. If I go back to my dashboard, let's grab a link to that real quick. LifterLMS courses, certification course, copy link to the course page. That'll be the link here. So if a student's already enrolled, they're going to visit that course page. They're going to be able to start their quiz. But if they haven't purchased that, then they'll see the buy now button where they could buy access to that quiz. And then you could optionally also have an assignment where you could do a task list with LifterLMS assignments. And I think that's what's set up here. If we open the assignment editor, there's a task list. So you could say purchase LifterLMS or enroll into the LifterLMS or into our, I keep forgetting the name, the Introduction to Sensory integration techniques certification. That could be the call to action on your assignment, or you could have a call to action button. Either way you want to do it. But that setup outlines how you could have a course, free course, a certification as like a single lesson course, and then a membership that combines them both, along with an upsell. If you just took the free course, we want you to also take the certification. We have an upsell at the end for you. I hope that rounds it out well. It's a little bit of an abstract setup, but does that make sense, Chris?
That does. So that is a power user using LifterLMS. We combined a lot of concepts. This is what makes LifterLMS the most powerful, customizable learning management system in WordPress and beyond. Some key ideas, which we have documentation on for all of this, is how to work with access plans, how to do membership auto enrollment, how to use purchase links, how to do a custom sales page for a course or membership. We covered a lot of different kind of power user details of what's possible with LifterLMS. If you have any questions about how to do any of that, drop a link below. Use the search on lifterlms.com to look for those key phrases I just mentioned, like access plans, purchase links, auto enrollment, certification, and assignments. Lifter is super powerful, and this was a power user session of LifterLMS Feature Friday. Go check out the LifterLMS Black Friday All November sale. That's at lifterlms.com/Black-Friday. And you also get $2,000 with your new purchase. That's it for this episode of Feature Friday. Thanks so much, Will, for the power demo. And I hope you have a great rest of your Friday and weekend. Take care.